In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Firebase password. Before we jump into the console, there's one key concept to understand. Firebase itself doesn't have a separate password. Your access to the Firebase console uses your Google account, and the users of your app authenticate through Firebase authentication. So if you're trying to get back into your own console, use Google's account recovery. If you're helping one of your app's users reset their password, you'll do that from the authentication area in the Firebase console, which I'll show you now. Open a browser and go to the Firebase console, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in your project, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Build. This is where Firebase groups the tools you'll use to create and manage your app's core features. Next, click Authentication. This section manages how users sign into your app, including email and password, phone, and federated providers like Google and Apple. For password resets, we'll work in the Users area, so click Users at the top. You'll see a list of user accounts for your project. Find the user who needs help. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly locate their email. On the right side of that user's row, click the three dots to open the Actions menu. From there, select Reset Password. A dialog will appear confirming you're about to send a password reset email to the user's address. Review the email shown to make sure it's correct and belongs to that user. When you're ready, click Send. Firebase will email a secure password reset link to the user using your project's configured email template and domain. A few tips to make this go smoothly. The reset password option applies to users who sign in with email and password. If the user signs in with Google, Apple, or another provider, they'll need to recover access through that provider instead. Ask the user to check their spam or junk folder if they don't see the message within a minute or two, and remind them that reset links expire after a short time for security. If they still don't receive it, you can try sending again after a brief wait, as email providers sometimes throttle messages. That's it. By navigating to Build, then Authentication, opening users, clicking the three dots on the correct account, choosing Reset Password, and pressing Send, you'll trigger a secure password reset email and help your users get back into your app quickly and safely.